Now this one here is an 87 Virago 535. I gave $100 for it at auction, where I got the generator from. I want to see if we can't get her going. We're going to be a little while though, because I don't think she's getting any spark. You can tell she's been sitting a while, and she's a little dry rot on the tires. But hey, at least it cranks over. Oh, let's see here. Make sure I got my key if there's still yet here. I can get back out of the gas cap. Yeah. Hold on a second. Yeah. There. Put that there for now. Well, come on, get up here and look at it. And you should have seen the gas I pulled out of this thing. You probably see a little bit. And that pipe there. Yeah. She's been sitting a minute. Let's see here. Put some what will it be 93 in it and see what happens. Give it a little tickle with the jump box and see what we get here. Oh, there goes fuel. you right there for a minute. Yeah, I bet you it's that CDI box. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking is a CDI box is probably bad. That's pretty common. Yeah, see if I can get the part number off of that and see if we can get another one coming. Tens, yeah. All right. How exactly you held it there? Oh, there it is. Mitsubishi part on a Yamaha. See if I can look one of those up. Alright then, well, I'm going to wait on parts, but I found one. It should be here next week if I order it today. Heck, that's all that's wrong with that. Get a tile for this bike and get some new forks. Well, and you gotta be able to stop too. That'd be kind of nice. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Go and get this on order. Get our covers. I may stick with that original fuel tank for now, but I may just go ahead and upgrade that one, put it up there. Alright, let's see here. I want to check. Let's see. Which I need to probably go and disconnect that fuel somehow. Shouldn't be hard. You just use wire nuts on it. That guy must need my grandpa. Must need my grandpa. I heard a relay click, so something somewhere is working. That one's working at least. I should have looked at that before I even bought anything, but let's straighten it. Electrode out. Good enough. Hurry up, I should do DC, wouldn't it? Get over here, come on. Get time of your nonsense. Yeah, I'm getting full 14 volts. What you want to see. Oh, come on now. What's your story, huh? Why are you not happy? You know what? Heck with you. I'm getting power. That's all that matters. So wait for one else to come in and get a few more tidbits in there. Should be alright. Yeah, I think it'll run. So until next time, this is Corey, Woolworks Garage. We see you then.